Hello again, boys and girls. Now, I've got a second video for the week here because I want you to spot what is different between this learning objective and the one that we had yesterday. So let's see. I can think 10 by regrouping the first addend, and the example is 8 plus 5. Well, that looks the same, 8 plus 5, the same example. We're still thinking 10. But this time we're regrouping the first addend, which is 8. Yesterday we did 5, that's the second one. We're doing 8 today. So let's have a look again at the tens frames. 8 plus 5. Now what do you notice if we're thinking 10? How can we make 10? Well, I spot that 10 is 5 plus 5, or 5 is half of 10. So what if I move these down here, then that helps me to see that actually what I've got is 10 plus 3, because I know that 5 add 5 is 10 plus another 3. So what have I done to the 8? Well, I've regrouped it. I've split it into 3 and 5. So let's write that out again. 8 plus 5, just like we did yesterday, except this time I'm going to put my cherry around the 8. And I regrouped it into 3 and 5. Because I put it together with that 5 to make 10. So now if we write that out again, I did 3 plus 5 plus 5. And if I put a ring round my number bonds to 10 again, then underneath I just show those added together, and then underneath the total of both. Ta-da! So that's, in my mind, the steps that I've gone through. Now, even though you will look at that and think, I know it's 13 because we did it yesterday, I want you to go through the questions today and show you're working out just like you did yesterday, but this time showing how you have regrouped the first number in the calculation, whatever it is. So you're looking for this number's bond to 10 each time. Okay, now one final thing. The last two questions today are similar to the last two questions yesterday. So what is 8 more than 5? Now how do we put that into a calculation? Well, 8 more than 5 is simply 5 plus 8, isn't it? Or 8 plus 5, and then you just go through the steps the same as with the other questions, yeah? And the next one, total 6 and 9, as a calculation is simply 6 and 9. Okay, good luck.